Hi everyone, it's Ronnie and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday tip. So today I'm going to talk to you about how you can save money and give you some tips about how to save money at the grocery store. So tip number 1 is simply to create a meal plan. It's as simple as that. By creating a meal plan, you are automatically setting yourself up to save money because when you go to the grocery store, you're actually buying the ingredients and items that you need rather than the things that you think you need. So rather than buying a bunch of random things and maybe spending too much money, you're only buying things that are applicable to the recipes that you've added to your planner. Number 2, shop at home before you go to the grocery store. This is super important if you want to use up the food that you already have at home, whether it is perishable things that are already in your refrigerator, things that you have stocked up in your freezer or in your cupboards. So it's super important to go through your shopping list while you're at home, check off all of the things that you already have, and then you're not buying extra stuff. Additionally, you can shop at home first and plan some recipes around the things that you already have, which is another great way to use up the things you have as well as save money. Number 3 is plan for leftovers. So if you adjust the serving size of your recipes in Plan to Eat, you can automatically increase the amounts that you are buying for each recipe, which you can then use to plan for leftovers. And a lot of times it can be budget friendly to just make one recipe and eat it over multiple days rather than making multiple recipes, which might require many different ingredients to buy. Number 4, and the last tip, is to use grocery delivery. So in 2020, we added the grocery delivery option to both the Plan to Eat app and the website. And when you use grocery delivery, you prevent yourself from overbuying or impulse buying at the grocery store because you're just simply buying the things that are on your shopping list. And when you use the grocery delivery tool in Plan to Eat, it just automatically transfers your shopping list over to whichever store you prefer to do grocery delivery or pickup from. So those are your 4 tips for saving money with Plan to Eat, and I'll see you later.